Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, Lisa J's World. This is Lisa, and today I want to do an unboxing of an item that I received from a fellow YouTuber who is named SuzWhat. I won this in her giveaway purses. She has a giveaway video, and I won. She contacted me and asked me which purse was I interested in, and since I have quite a few Dooney and Burks, I decided to get the bag that was unique in the bunch. And I always like a unique bag. It kind of reminds me of when I first started collecting handbags years back. And I really like the style of it. It's natural, bohemian like, so if you've seen her video, you kind of know which one I chose based on just that description alone. Okay, so first I want to get into saying thank you to all my new subscribers. I haven't made a video in a while. Let me show you my bag of the day before we get into the video. So this is the bag I have been carrying for, how long have I been carrying this? I think this is my second week carrying the small Florentine satchel in the slate color. I did not wear this bag when I first got it. It's been in the closet, and when the weather changed to spring / summer, I just had an inkling to begin to start wearing it, and it goes with a lot of my spring colors. You see, it goes really nice with the pink top that I have on, and also I have a burgundy dress. It just goes with a lot of things, I'm noticing. More so now, and it probably will in the fall, transition into fall. And I do have other bags I want to wear, so, but for right now, this is the bag I'm carrying. Isn't she pretty? And I was worried about her being a little pebbly when I first got her, but she is just acclimating really well to carrying her. Sometimes I carry her crossbody when I'm in the store. So that's my bag of the day. All right, let's get on to what the video is about. And it came today in this box. I've already opened it. So I didn't want it to be too hard to get into. So let's get into it. Oh, wow. Thank you so much for this beautiful bag. I can already tell it's in great condition. It is a thick bag. Oh yeah. This is so cute. Now I don't want to change out of my small satchel. Oh, but this would make me do that. So this bag is by Rachel Zoe, and I guess it was called the Try bag, and it was really popular a few years back. Some good old stuff in. I can't really stuff this out. Oh, there's something in here. Let's see. What is this? Oh, a fragrance pack. Isn't that nice? That smells good. Ocean scented sake. That's so cute. Thank you. Okay, what else we got in here? Oh, wow. We're going to get into this. Oh, okay, now I'm about to cry. I got a card. my Lisa. Thank you for participating in the giveaway. I hope you enjoy your bag. Peace and love, Suz. Isn't that pretty? That is so nice. Yes, I will enjoy my bag. I like this bag. It is so nice. It has a nice little bottom. Has a little opening. This is a great summer bag. It has two long pockets for like my sunglasses and my long lotions. Nice deep zipper pocket. It's cute. You see the two long pockets. They're long. How far do they go down? To almost the end of the bag. Yes. So about to here. That's nice. It's really thick. I love this pattern. I really do. Now, I believe this bag was, from what I read, made in India. Handmade in India. This is a nice adjustable strap. I can actually make this a little longer. It's gotta go over a girl's curves, you know. I have to have enough length to go over those curves as needed. I wouldn't wear it as a crossbody now that I see that it's not really long enough, but I will probably do the shoulder bag option because when I'm in the store, I like to hold my bag close to me. So the shoulder bag option is a good option for this bag. Yes, very cute, very nice. Let me sit her right here. I'm gonna sit her right here while I go through this. Okay, now you know I have these bags. They're exclusive to Walmart. They're very good in putting receipts in. Anything, you know, that you could see, like your face mask that you have to carry around nowadays in order to get into stores. You can put your face mask in here. These are made by, I'm thinking this is where she got hers from, Ziploc, and they're only at Walmart. This is a Ziploc, and this is the clutter free. So I have one in my bathroom where I keep my cottons, to, you know, so I can do my face, and these are really great. And let's see what we got here. I'm gonna take one thing at a time. I'm taking everything out. I'm excited. Okay, so what we got here is Kleenex. Oh yeah. Oh, I like this little bag holder. That is so cute. I've never seen that. Oh, this is great. Oh yeah, I'm gonna carry this in my bag. I'm gonna leave it just like this. This is great traveling. Actually, it actually looks like a full Kleenex. I don't want to pull it out and mess up the integrity of that. But that is so cute. And I don't know if I let you see that it folds out and it has tissues on each side. It's really nice. Okay, let's see what else. It's just a notepad. It says you are amazing. This is awesome. Thank you, Sus. That was so sweet. Man, it's so nice when you can find someone who is just, you just tell they're just kind. And it's not fake. It's not for show. Thank you so much. Okay. Sometimes it's the little things, guys. Sometimes it's just the little things that people do for you. And of course, I definitely need lip balm. Always. Thank you so much. This is Mango Burnt Bees lip balm. Mango. Wow. Oh yeah. Thank you so much. I mean, it was really nice winning the bag because I hardly ever win anything. I don't think I've ever won anything. And this was a nice touch, a nice addition to what I got. And I wanted to share it with everyone. I wanted her to see me unbox it. Um, that is so awesome that you did this. I'm going to enjoy this thick cloth canvas bag. I really like it. You can see the texture of it. Alright guys, so I'm going to end by saying thank you SuzWhat for my prize. I really like it. I know I'm going to enjoy it. Thank you for the little trinkets that you added to the bag. Again, thank you to all my subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for those who are just joining my channel, and thank you for coming back and viewing my content. Just want to say thank you. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.